What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, guys, as always, let's take a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Kaspa. Now, today, as you can see, the whole market is dropping, like really dropping really hard. And in the midst of all that, what tells you what the good and best projects are? Just look at how much they dropped. Okay, look at Casper. Everybody's dropping probably 10, 20, 30%. Casper only moved from 19 to 15 cents, and now it's going back up again. That should tell you that the project is holding really strong. So that said, what is happening is that as you can see, everything's still tied to Bitcoin. Okay, tied to Bitcoin. Everything, like I'm saying, it's all tied to Bitcoin. Somebody is busy dumping Bitcoin like it was going out of style, and unfortunately, projects like Kaspa, Quant, Jasmine are still following that narrative, and that's why it is dumping. Now, let me show you something right quick. See, look at this. If you have CoinGlass, you should get these alerts. Look, somebody moved 10,984 Ethereum, okay, from unknown wallet, which is from a private wallet, to Coinbase. Look at another alert. Excuse, sorry for the noise. We do have, I'm in my parking lot and it's a lot of cars coming by. See, somebody moved 1,000 Bitcoin from unknown wallet to Kraken. Again, 1,050 Bitcoin. And this has been going on all day long. So now we don't know exactly what they're doing. Sometimes people think by moving from private wallet, which is unknown, to an exchange, it signifies that they want to sell. But you have to understand something. When they do this, sometimes it's to create FUD. Once people see this amount of Bitcoin being moved, they think they're about to sell. And people start selling ahead of the crowd. That's what they do. What they don't know is that sometimes these investors, they use this cheap trick for them to get your coins at a cheaper rate, or even sometimes to dump Bitcoin. Okay, because like people who are holding Bitcoin, go look at Dex tools. You are not going to see a sale of 1,000 Bitcoins. You are not going to see a sale of 10,000 Bitcoins, because these guys who are moving this amount of Bitcoins, they are not selling them. They are just creating FUD, guys. And people who are paper hands, people who don't stop to think, they see, oh crap, they are moving this amount of coins to exchanges, oh, they're about to sell, and they start selling. And now when there is that massive sale of 1 Bitcoin, 2, 10 Bitcoins, 100 Bitcoins, that is what causes the price to drop. But I'm glad, because I hold Casper. Those paper hands is healthy for the market. Again, listen, I'm not against, excuse me, I am not against you selling your positions. As a matter of fact, if you feel like you've made enough money, it is okay, guys. It's okay for you to sell and take profits, okay? But as you can see, if you sell early, you are amongst those who will come back and buy it and make the price pump even higher. That's why I am okay with everybody doing this right now if they want to sell. But anyways, right now, sorry for the noise. Hold on. So right now, we're about to check what the market is doing, because here at the Millionaire Journey, what we do is we make money no matter what. We make money whether the market goes up or it goes down or whatever they do, because when we see red in the streets, that is how we make our money. So now let's go check out the crypto bubbles right quick. Yeah, let's go. Crypto bubbles right here. So as you can see, almost everything is swimming in red, but we are here for the 3 coins that I chose to trade in this my millionaire journey for this bull run season. So let's go first for the King Kaspa. Okay, let's go KAS, Kaspa. As you can see, on the past hour, Kaspa is down 0.1%, 2.2% on the daily, and 9.6% on the weekly. So look at here, go to Quant, Q and T. Quant is down 0.8% on the hour, but look at the daily. Quant is up 4.3% on the day and 0.8 on the week. Okay, so now let's go here looking at Jasmine. Jasmine is 0.3% down on the hour, 1.6% down on the day, and 29% on the week. Okay, so now, as I told you, they are all related to Bitcoin movement because there is nothing, absolutely nothing on the charts or fundamentally that shows us that this coin should be dropping at this rate right now. But anyways, let's go into the trading view. On trading view, you can look at the detailed analysis on what the market is doing, on what the prices are doing. So let me take it right to the trading view. Let's go here, trading view, right here. Oh, we're gonna start first with Kaspa. Okay. Excuse me again. Like I said, I'm in the parking lot. There are cars going left and right. But anyways, look, on the hourly, we are going to start. If I bring out my arrow, see here. You see? You guys who've been following my channel, you will understand that we've been following this and we've been having these lines of support and resistances all along the way. Price dumped. Okay, we got supported by this line of support, which is at 14.9, almost 15 cents, depends on how you draw your lines. We got pumped back again. You see, now we got supported again by the second line of support, which is at the 16 cents, 16.1, or however you have it done. But look at the ribbon. This is what called my attention. See how the ribbon has curved? So now we are getting supported by the ribbon and also supported by this 16 cents line of support, which means this price has the potential to start to go up. Right now it is forming a bull flag. A bull flag that is forming is, if everything goes according to plan, this thing should break up to the upside, and the target of this bull flag should be almost retesting the all-time high up here at almost 18 cents. Okay, let's go at 4 hours right quick. If you see on the 4 hours, the same thing is happening, almost the same thing, because we broke out, touched it, came back, the second support, and right now we are getting supported by the moving average, the 200 moving average. And if you look at the ribbon, it looks like the ribbon wants to start to curve. So very soon we are going to have to go up here, retest this ribbon, and see whether we get rejected or probably going to break above it, because the probability of Kaspa breaking up versus dropping, the breaking up is higher than dropping down. So we have to wait till the end of the week. Right now we're in the weekend, and we know crypto usually move crazily during the weekend. Now let's go look at Quant. Ticket symbol QNT. There we go. Quant on the Binance. See? Same. Like I told you guys, this is price manipulation, guys. This thing, Quant was going up perfectly. We did not have a problem or anything indicating in the charts that Quant was supposed to drop. Everything was going according to plan. Now look, if you can see, we were following the trajectory perfectly with no problem until that dump happened. And now what called my attention on Quant is that we dumped, but look at how fast it got bought up. Now look at the ribbon. See how the ribbon has begun to curve again? Now we are above the support at I have it at $72. We are above that support again, and the ribbon is beginning to curve. So I am assuming that we are going to resume this trajectory again to go and retest this moving average and try to find that try to fight that resistance at $85. That is what Quant is doing right now. So guys, it is simple. All you have to do is hold, because guys, it takes a lot of money to move Bitcoin the way they did, from 65 all the way to 53 or 54,000 dollars. That is a lot of money. Somebody it was trying to move it, and that affected Quant. So now let's go on the daily, on the, on the 1 hour. 1 hour, there you go. This shows even better. See, on the 1 hour we have it. See, we came all the way. Look at how quickly and how fast they bought it up. This is how fast it got bought up. Look at that. We went and retested the 200 moving average. We got now coming back to retest the ribbon. Hopefully, and I think what is going to happen here is that Quant probably going to come back, retest the ribbon, and shoot up, break above the moving average. Because this, I'm telling you guys, the target is to try to break that $84, $85 for Quant. Once we break that, or maybe we're going to struggle with it for a little bit and break it. Once we break it, Quant will go high to retest that 104. That $104 is a very key resistance and support. If we break it, Quant is going higher to $130. $130. If we break it, then guys, drum roll, look at this. I've shown you guys this so many times. The target will be here at the $150. Quant need to break this $150. Once we close a weekly candle above $150, then guys, get ready for the firework, because Quant will now resume that uptrend aggressively. Normally, coins that go sideways so long, once they break out, they usually break out very, very aggressively. Okay, so it's a matter of time. It's a matter of time. So now let's go and look at Jasmine. Okay, ticket symbol JAS on Jasmine. I like the Binance chart. Now, of all the coins that we trade on My Millionaire journey, short term, I think Jasmine is a little bearish, although I have my doubts when I look at everything on the weekly. Okay, look at the weekly. Okay, bring my arrow out. Look at the weekly. See how the ribbon is still going up? It's not yet curving downwards. It's going up. It's doing exactly what happened here. Because see, price came down, went below the key support of 2.3 of so once it went, look at that, it got bought right back up above that support, and look at that, retest the ribbon and got bought right back up. So this is where I have my doubts, although when you look at it in fundamentally, this price drop, like I said, it was all because Bitcoin is dropping. It's because Bitcoin is dropping. There's nothing else that shows that Jasmine should be dropping. If you look at the RSIs and the MACDs and every indicator you look at, or look at the news around Jasmine, it should not be dropping. So guys, get your bags ready. Look at this. The only resistance we have left is going to be this 3.44 cents and 5 cents. Once we cross 5 cents, all this entire move that started right here, the target is at 10 cents. That's what it is. So guys, you should get ready for this. Okay, let's go on the 4 hourly. Now, see on the 4 hourly, this is why I have a little doubts, because the ribbon is like free falling. The ribbon is free falling. So two things could happen right here. The most probable thing that could happen is that this ribbon goes below this support and starts and curves up, and price goes to meet it, try to curve, act as support or resistance, jump on it and starts to go up. That's the most logical. The second one, it could still keep free falling, acts as a resistance, and Jasmine could come back down to retest this 1.9 cents on the dollar. But like I said, it is the weekend. Only time will tell. I have my positions already, and I don't know about you guys. Okay, like I said, in this millionaire journey, when we see red, we jump in. We do not wait, because red means opportunity, guys. I'm about to show you my trades right now so we can see how they did, if they did pretty good, if they did bad, or however they're doing. Like, you know, I am very honest with you guys, and I'm very, very transparent. When I do something, I show you guys, so you guys could know what my wins are, my losses are, or everything. Because this is what we do at this my millionaire journey. We share ideas. Okay, so we know you could help me out, I could help you anyhow. Okay, that is what this is all about. This channel is not just for me, it's for us, you and me, to share and trade ideas. Anyways, now before we get into this, guys, as always, I do not condone leverage tradings if you do not know what you are doing. Because if you do leverage trade without knowledge, you are going to lose your money. So guys, please, if you don't know what you're doing, do not leverage trade. Okay, but if you do, I do have the links below for Bydfi and Phemex. Sign up, use the trading bonuses, and start trading. Once you start making profit, take your money out and use the profit plus the bonuses and build it up. That's exactly what I did. Now I'm no longer using my money to trade, I'm using the house money. That's what I'm playing around with. So anyways, now let's go check on my Bydfi, which are my long time trades. Check here, Bydfi right here. Okay, as you can see, okay, those of you who have been following, I dropped, my total has dropped. Okay, I was up almost $29,000 thereabout. It has dropped due to the market drop, but this is okay because we know this thing is about to pick up again. Okay, it's about to pick up. Now if I go to the contracts, okay, you can see here my Jasmine is down 13%, which is around $450. I'm not worried about the price action on Jasmine. Okay, I'm not worried about it because my liquidation is way down, less than a cent. I don't think Jasmine will go down that low. I don't think so. So those of you who are afraid of quant, and I kept telling you, quant is not going that low. You need to take advantage of this opportunity. Look at my quant. My quant is 30% up, which is about $1,400. Okay, good. My liquidation is at $33. Okay, what happened? Like I told you guys, if you remember, my quant position was like 4,100, 4,200 thereabout. Now I scaled it up to 4,700. Okay, scale it up, and now look at the reason. By the time we get to that major resistance that we are talking about, okay, that major resistance, which is at 104. Let's break this up. 104. This position will make me almost $6,000. See right there? That is what tells you that you are doing something pretty good. Now look at my Kaspa. Due to the drop, my Kaspa dropped 50 to 57%, but I'm still up 4,700, which is pretty good for me. I'm telling you guys, this is how you make money in this bull market. Okay, now let's go look at my short term, which are the trades that I close, open, take profit depending on the resistances and on the support lines. Okay, so now here, let me sign in there. Okay, as you can see, what happened is, like, I took profits from my Kaspa position and scaled up my Jasmine. Okay, scaled up my Jasmine. But let's go to the overall first. When you see the overall, those of you who remember, my overall was almost 8,000, but due to the taking profits here and there, doing whatever I'm doing, my overall is now down to 6,300, which again, guys, this is normal. Okay, this is okay. As you can see, now let's go to the contracts. See that due to that, I scaled up my Jasmine. If you remember, my Jasmine was up $1,000. That was my position. I scaled it up to 1,600. Now I am up 6%, which is $100. It is beginning to recover. My Kaspa, again, because I took profit, it kind of lowered my it lowered my entry and everything else. Now my position is 4,400 and I am down 2%. Again, guys, I am not worried about this. Again, like I said, I am not worried about this because this is just part of the process. Now, the reason I'm saying I'm not worried about this, look, Jasmine, for example, my first take profit is going to be at 0.05, which is 5 cents. When that happens, look at this. This position would make me $12,000. We look at the market and see what if we are taking profits or not. Or I can wait, take it at the flag, the what you call it, the target of the bull flag, which is at 10 cents. At 10 cents, this position will make me $33,000. See what I mean? I'm not worried about it. I'm waiting patiently because this is about to happen. Mark my words. So again, when you look at something like Kaspa right now, yeah, I'm negative 2%, but that is not what I'm looking at. I am looking at first at 25 cents, which will have me almost $5,000, as you can see right here. That's my first take profit. Second take profit is at 30 cents, which I will probably have around $8,000 here. But with everything launching on Kaspa, guys, I am telling you guys, we're about to see Kaspa at $1. So I will wait 60 cents, okay? 60 cents, 60. This thing will make me $25,000. Okay, and then reevaluate the market, see if we are still aggressively going up to that dollar. Because at the dollar, this thing has the probability of making me $48,000. So, excuse me. Excuse me for a sec. So, this is what I'm telling you guys. There's red in the market, yeah, but it's an opportunity of a lifetime. You do not want to miss. When everybody else is running, closing their positions, trying to see, oh, the market is dying, what am I doing? I am finding positions. I'm trying to scale up and I'm trying to get better on my trade. I hope you are doing the same, because this is just FOMO. Just like I showed you at the beginning, these guys are moving Bitcoin left and right, and those people who do not know how to read their moves, what they do is like they think, oh, the market's about to crash, they're about to sell, and they start selling, and that chain reaction begins across the entire crypto market. So guys, again, on this millionaire journey, and this is my millionaire journey, this is what we do. Okay, this is what we do. We see that blood on the streets, we jump into it. I tell you, don't be ships. When everybody's going to the left, man, go to the right. And as you can see, it is going to pay out very soon. Summer in the crypto bull market, summer, anything between May to July, usually be red. First week, second week of July, the market usually starts reversing, and you're about to find out very, very soon. So, sorry about that. As you see, the topic, like I was saying at the beginning of the video, is this: Kaspa is holding strong. Right now, Kaspa usually go against everybody. When everybody's going one way, Kaspa goes the other way. The reason why Kaspa, this dump affected it just this much is because it got to the point when the smart contract were paused. And a lot of people don't understand. This was just the test net. It's not the real smart contracts. Now, from what we got from the news, from the Casplex Discord, is that smart contracts, they are all going to resume in 4 days. 4 days. But I like to give them some more chance, some more time. If they start on schedule in 4 days, great. But I think it's going to be anything between 4 to 7 days before they get everything up and running. And guys, once they do that, that's what I'm telling you, that Kaspa is about to hit $1 in a couple of weeks or even a month. You're about to see that. this thing is about to run very hard, because it's not hard to see. Listen, the few hours, okay, the few hours that the smart contracts ran, Kaspa had more transaction volume than Ethereum, than Solana, or even than or close to Tron. Did you see that? And that all these projects have not even started migrating yet. That's why I'm telling you guys, one of the videos I made, I told you guys that Kaspa was going to take 95% of the transaction in this crypto industry. Okay, most guys don't believe me. Okay, most people don't believe it, but it's the truth. It's the truth. The reason why people are using Tron right now is because Tron is cheap and it's more similar, more faster than Solana and faster than Ethereum. That's why people are using it. So if you look at in another way, okay. So even look at this. The Bitcoin maxis, they have all started to notice that there is a new kid on the block, or you can say there is a new sheriff in town. See, you see Michael Saylor, you see Freddy Krueger, Da Vinci J15, you name them. They've already started to notice that, hey, maybe there is something better than Bitcoin. There is something that is going to rival Bitcoin in the upcoming 2-3 years. Okay, so they're beginning to notice, and that's what I'm saying, guys. Kaspa is getting ready for something. You do not want to get left behind. You don't. The same thing I'm telling you about Quant. Quant is posing to be the new Swift system, the system that people move money around the world. Okay, you do not want to get left behind when it comes to that. It's not XRP, guys. XRP is said as our ISO 20 coin, and those coins, they are part of the Quant over ledger. Okay, part of the Quant over ledger. That's what's happening. So guys, on Quant we do have, like I said, project Mbridge. Okay, excuse me, we do have project Mbridge already live. Project Roslyn is going live this month, and towards the end of this month, probably in August thereabout, this month, we also have the stablecoin approval policy in the US, United Kingdom, and a bunch of other countries around the world. Towards the end of this month, we are going to have gateways, probably at the end of this month or in August, sometime in August. Project gateways, which is Quant staking. Guys, there is about to be a supply shock. You see coins that go sideways for long term, like Quant, when they take off, they usually blow. You are going to see that God candle, the green, you know, I don't know, you know, like I always say, if you know, you know. You saw my trade, right? Everybody's complaining, everybody's doing, but I am up 30% on my Quant trade. Why? I scale up and I wait. I scale up and I wait. Because coins like this, when everybody's bearish, okay, like I'm telling you, nobody is expecting Quant to go. If you go look on the analytics, there are more shorts on Quant right now because nobody thinks that Quant is taking off. And what does the market always do? Market always go in the opposite direction. So all these shorts, they are about to get liquidated. That is what's about to happen right now. So so again, we go in the opposite direction of everybody. That's what we do. We go in the opposite direction. We don't wait. We don't wait for nothing. So guys, again, at the Millionaire Journey, we're here to make money. And how do we do it? We could either buy coin on the spot, okay? My phone keep doing this. At my Millionaire Journey, we could either buy coins on spot, get them on leverage, okay, or we can mine them. And I showed you guys that I'm doing all three of them because, like I said, I'm always honest with you guys, and I show you everything I do, when I do it, and when I don't. My losses, my wins, everything, you know. Okay, so now guys, The same thing I'm telling you guys, do not be afraid. Get your positions ready. Scale them up. That way you don't get liquidated. This is not financial advice, but that is what I am doing. I scale up my positions that way, I don't get liquidated. And once the market starts to run hard, which is about to happen, you are about to see. You'll be very happy. So, guys, thank you very much for checking out my videos. And please, let's make it up to 5,000 subscribers. That's what we're aiming up to right now. Please subscribe, comment, and share so that a lot of people who are like you and me trying to go from zero to a millionaire status can always get, these ideas, and we can always trade ideas. So with that being said, guys, please be safe out there, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.